There's something wrong, not with the internet itself, but maybe with how we use it. Think about it, how many tens, hundreds, or even thousands of hours have we spent mindlessly scrolling, with tired eyes forced to stare at a screen? But let's try looking at it from a different perspective. Maybe the internet is actually the greatest miracle of our generation. A place where all knowledge is just a fingertip away. It could be a treasure map that leads us to all kinds of information. And the internet has shown us one big truth: learning can actually be fun. But yeah, being flooded with information isn't always a good thing. Back in the day, when the printing press was first invented, people said information would spread faster and make the world smarter. In reality, many still believed in superstitions and resisted progress. The same thing is happening with the internet. And maybe, in the future, the same will happen with AI. Information is everywhere, but many still get lost in it. And from the past till now, the pattern stays the same. What really makes the difference isn't the technology, it's the people. That's why, even in the chaos of the internet, there are still many people out there fighting back against the flood of misinformation. And it's definitely not easy. That's why they need your support. Because in the middle of all the online noise, they keep the spirit of learning alive. And now, there's a new way you can support Kabisa. If you check the Kabisa YouTube channel, you'll see a join button next to the subscribe button. You can give your support directly and get special benefits as a member, from small perks to exclusive ones. But if you can't support directly just yet, no worries. You can still support Kabisa by subscribing, turning on the notification bell, and sharing Kabisa's videos as widely as possible. Japan is known for its robots, America has already gone to the moon, and China might become the next tech giant. But sadly, in Indonesia, science and knowledge are still often underestimated, still far removed from our daily lives. Kabisa believes that educational content can be the key to helping Indonesians open their minds and become smarter every day. So knowledge isn't just controlled by a few, but can help improve the lives of everyone. And as always, thank you.